So let's talk about service providers for a second. And so I think most of us work in IT professional services, so probably think about it from that context. But service providers in general face a lot of the similar challenges when you're jumping into a project with clients. You have to keep the clients happy. You have to communicate internally, externally, sometimes with third parties like other vendors, subcontractors. Plus you have to manage the projects. Plus you have to report out things. Plus you have to store documents and have meetings and track time and do all this other stuff. And then on top of all of those things, you actually have to do the work that you're hired to do, whether it's a migration or any of those things, right? So there's a lot of stuff that you have to do every single time. And so with the solution with ClickUp and Microsoft being integrated allows for you to do a lot of things with like one click and automations. And so we're big fans of Microsoft. We're also big fans of ClickUp as an independent project management and automation tool